Welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. It is currently -9 degrees. And so around this time of year, I start to get a lot of questions about what do I do as far as cleaning windows at this time of year. So when the temperatures are below 35 degrees, I don't do any water fed pull. But if you still have to get things done, right, you got to be able to do things traditionally. So with traditional, if it is negative this far or in the single digits, I do straight windshield washing fluid, and what this has in it is methanol. Some people will get drums of methanol, especially in colder areas, but typically the windshield washer fluid will go down to -20. I would do straight windshield washer fluid and a little bit of whatever soap, nothing too expensive during the winter time, and that in single digits or negatives. And then in the 20s, I would typically mix about half and half, or 2/3 windshield washer fluid, 1/3 water. And then in the 30s, you typically do half and half, or like a quarter windshield washer fluid and the rest water. So what I'm gonna do here though is just show you that it's possible. So another really good thing I would suggest doing is getting soft rubber. Soft rubber during the winter is gonna bleed a lot less. It's gonna do a better job. You're always gonna leave a little more behind than you want to in the winter, but this is gonna do the best job. So I right now just have Unger soft rubber in here. So mop, nothing different with the mop. You just put the windshield washer fluid in. It doesn't matter if it's blue, purple, the Rain-X ones are good, whatever as far as that. It doesn't need to be anything special. Typically, I would have a lot more than just this. This is, you know, maybe only half a gallon. I'd typically put 3 gallons. One other tip I'd have for you is when buying this stuff, Peak is pretty expensive. I would go to like Sam's Club to get them. Typically they're a lot less. They're like $2, where if you buy them at gas stations, they can be like $5. All right, so let's go clean the window because it's freezing out here. Oh, and then you can see my soap is already freezing up and I just brought it out. Just a little bit of soap with this, not much at all. It seems like this stuff always foams up a little bit more than just regular water. So I find that I don't have to put as much soap at all. So if I was to wash this window with normal water, quickly, that window is gonna freeze over in temperatures like this, just like it did there. And then, right, I can't squeegee it off at all. So even if that happens and you didn't know that, oh my gosh, it's gonna happen, that's okay. Because if you use straight windshield washer fluid, a little bit of soap, and really get it on there, you can thaw it out and get it to unfreeze. I hope. This is cold for Colorado. Oh boy. Do it a couple times here. So sometimes it might take a little bit when it's super cold, but as you can see here, pretty much melting like that. Melting that like we would with our car windshield. So we pretty much have that free of any water, but worst case scenario, you get water on there, it freezes, you can use that windshield washer fluid on the actual sleeve and get it all to go away. So then, if you were just cleaning windows normally, and you had this solution, it's gonna be a little bit soapy, not too bad, but this just proves the point that even at negative, what is it, 11 or 9 degrees, you can still clean windows. You just got to use windshield washer fluid, and that's about it. So the main things here is that if you want to clean windows in the winter time, you're going to have to deal with extreme weather like this. This is very rare in Colorado to have it be this cold, but it just proves the point that really anything under -20 you can do. there does become a certain point where maybe it becomes unsafe to keep cleaning windows at that low of a temperature. I know a lot of you guys that watch my videos are in Canada. You guys deal with some extreme cold, so I can't imagine what you guys go through. But if you're really wanting to clean windows during the winter, that is it. Just windshield washer fluid and a little bit of dish soap. I wouldn't use anything expensive. Nothing's gonna look perfect, but if you gotta get things done, that's the way to do it. If you're gonna use normal water, it's always gonna freeze on you, of course. And then, for 30 degrees, do about, a quarter windshield washer fluid, the rest water. 20s, about half and half. Single digits, just go to straight windshield washer fluid and anything below. And then, as always, just be safe out there. That's what I would tell you. So anyways, I hope this tip has helped. I get these questions a lot during the winter, so that's why I make these videos. I've made this video a little bit before, but just wanted to show the demonstration that even when your regular water freezes, you can use that windshield washer fluid on thaw it out and clean the windows if you really need to. Anyways, have a good day. And if you guys need to buy any equipment, feel free to contact me at 970-599-1437. A lot of fun content coming this year. Very, very excited about it. Big things to come. So we'll see you later. Bye.